Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max in all of its glory. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I actually picked this up from Best Buy. They did actually give me a hard time because I did actually get the 64GB model. I tried to switch it up for the 256, but they told me I had to pay a restocker fee, so it is what it is. I opened this already, but I'm going to do this just for you guys. I'm going to show you the unboxing and my initial thoughts about the device itself. So as you guys can see from the back, if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. It does come with a fast charger now, iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it does come in 3 different configurations. You got 64, 256, and 512. And for each step up, you're paying like 150 bucks or more. So I went with the green color, and it does actually kind of look grayish. So that's the thing with me. I did see it in person before I actually picked it up from a UPS store, and it does look space gray in some light, and it does look green in some light. So basically, I got 2 phones for the price of 1. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Got a wrap thing right here. Alright. And here's the phone itself. So if you guys picked up a iPhone yesterday on iPhone Day, let me know down in the comments below what model did you get. But here's the phone itself. Alright, so here's that beautiful green color. At first I was not a fan of it, but when I finally saw it in person, I was definitely impressed by the frostness and just how it looks in different lights. So it does actually glow really different, just like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, how it keeps on changing in light. So basically this is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus right next to it, so it does change in different lights, but I will actually show you guys what that looks like. So let's just take this out of the box. So we have the phone itself, and on the inside we do have our regular schmegular thing from Apple, designed by Apple in California. Get into focus there. Alright, and we have our regular earpods, not AirPods. So we do have the wire for lightning, and for the first time ever, they finally switched it up from a Type-C to a lightning cable. So it does look like it still has that crappy thing right here, so just be careful. The Type-C part looks a lot more sturdier. So they probably did this because a lot of MacBooks and a lot of new computers have a Type-C port. So now you're able to transfer your data because you have a Type-C port. A lot of people have been saying, why did they do it like this? And that's basically the reason why. So you do have a fast charging brick now. Now I've been unboxing iPhones for probably about 5 years now. And this is the first time they actually switched it up. So it does look like it says 3 amps or 2 amps, so it does have a Type-C right there. So I am interested to see how fast this goes, because this is the first time that they ever did this. So, but if you do actually pick up the regular iPhone 11, you do get that regular 1 watt one. So be prepared. If you want to pick up the 11, you do not get that fast charging brick, but you can still use your iPad and it will charge perfectly without any hiccup. So let's put this back in the box and just take out the phone itself. Alright, so let's take off the plastic. Now, I have been using this for about 24 hours now, and I am impressed. If you guys wanted to know, I do have a lot more videos coming, cases and just a whole bunch of stuff. And also, as you can see from the back, they did go with like a glass, but it looks kind of frosted, so it's very good for fingerprints, so you can't really see the fingerprints, just like so. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. Let me power this on. One thing that I did actually want to mention is that the iPhone XS Max tempered glasses fit perfectly on this because it's basically the same front. If you guys do want to see a whole bunch of specs, I will leave that down below, but it does have a bigger battery. It does have an extra camera for wide angle if you guys are interested in that. The front camera has improved really dramatically. They basically took the 12 megapixel sensor from the back and they put it in the front, so you will get some crazy selfies, and it does record in 4K 60. I did actually try that last night. And you can actually do a thing called slow-fies, which is basically slow motion selfies. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please hit with a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone 11 Pro Max and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.